Okay, hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you an app that give you a certificate like this for fast typing in 1 minute. And this app teach you if you wanna know to write fast. They teach you two letters by two letters, and they do you a test in these two letters. You know all of the keyboard. Then when you know all of the the word, they make you a test that has a lot of word. And when you finish this, they give you a certificate like this, and they will show you here, print certificate. You press here, you want to take a photo from it, you want to print it, anything else. So now I want to show you
To begin, type the
how
word
do
south.
I use it.
Uppercase O.
Here,
To type the O key. U.
C,
Space.
S,
Africa. F. R. I. C. Is. Home.
E,
O.
C,
2. T. Space. O. S. T. Oops. Most. Of. F. Worlds.
see guys. This
W.
is the
O.
way
R.
because I
To type the
learned
R.
already to
D.
type
Apostrophe.
type
S.
fast. I
To
know
type
already, so they
rhinos.
are doing for me
R.
a
H.
test.
I. N. S.
Do you
Oops.
see now I type
Rhinos.
fast, but
However. O. W.
even you should
To
do
type the W key.
the word
E. V.
capitalize.
To type the V
Can't
key.
keep them like this.
Comma.
You won't write anything. You should make
Space.
them
The. E.
capitalize. You should
Country.
write
O.
the full
U.
stop and
N. R. To
so
type
now
the
look,
R
I
key.
finished. So here they give me another certificate, print certificate. Here's the certificate. Look how. Here, learn and study because I logged in with my Google account. And here, 1 minute typing test. Here, like how many percent I know how to write fast. The date October 18, 2023. 14 WMP. A small certificate. Writing fast. And kid, if you don't want to print the certificate, just press here, take again.
To begin, type the word today. O. D.
Today,
1. Comma.
comma,
Space.
and
S. To C. T. S.
okay,
Space. R.
R,
Part. P.
R,
R. Of.
O.
O. F. Traditional.
And they even
T.
tell you
To
if
type
you
the
don't
T
want to keep
key.
blocking like this, they tell you the
R.
letters.
D. To type the D.
D,
T.
I,
To type the T. O. N.
D,
Space.
C.
Diets. I. E. Oops. Oops.
Oops.
U type E. T. S.
You
Throughout.
see?
R. To type O. U. G. H.
Look,
O.
here
U.
I'm
T.
listening to him and
Space.
saying to me what to
C.
write.
Of. O. F. The. World. R. Oops.
Word.
Oops. L. D.
Do you
Oops.
see?
U.
Full
World.
stop here.
Space.
Do
To
you
type the
see?
space key.
And you can play it like um like you could use it anytime you want. Like 2 o'clock, you should open it. No, anytime you want to learn typing, even if it three 3 o'clock at night, you could open it and learn how to write fast. Anytime they could learn it and know how to write fast. They could give you certificate, and but before they give you certificate and do for you this like this hard test, they you should learn and keyboard from A, B, C, from A to Z. So then they're gonna do for you a hard test. They're gonna bring you a paragraph. They're gonna you're gonna solve it. You're gonna write it in 1 minute. And there's a timer. You're gonna take a certificate. If you wanna print it, if you want to take a photo, if you want to do it, even you can just press here, tick again. Thank you for